Hey guys, welcome here. My name is Deepak Cha and today we will learn about iframes in HTML. So for iframe we use iframe tag and it specify an inline frame. An inline frame is used to embed another document within the current HTML document. So HTML web page is a type of document and in a document you can embed another document. So let's take an example first. Now create a file first. Okay, now paste the code. Save the file first. I'm gonna name it iframe.html and save as type is all type. Alright, now save it. Okay, now start the iframe tag. iframe. Alright, now similar like image we have to pass link of the document in src attribute. Alright, now so the link is https w3t.com. Okay, now close the iframe tag /iframe. Alright, now save the file and run in the browser. Just double click on the file. Alright, the browser open. See, you can see I have embedded w3t.com in my HTML web page. So let's give some height with the height attribute. Let's pass 600px. Now save the file. Alright, now you can see I have embedded the document and there are lots of more attributes which you can use with the iframe. Just check the link in the description.